Have you ever tried a Boozy tropical tiramisu? This recipe features mango, coconut, lime flavors and is perfectly layered to intrigue your palate and make you want to give this recipe a try. And without any further words, let's make Boozy tropical tiramisu. Forgot to tell, for those who have concerns about raw eggs, this recipe comes absolutely eggless and safe. Except for you'll have to watch your portion size, because this dessert is incredibly tempting. For this recipe, we will first prepare a few ingredients in a certain way, so that they are ready for the next steps. Start by making lime zest. Once grated, set the zest aside and squeeze lime juice from the same lime. Set it aside as well. Take one well-ripened mango. I used a ATAULFO mango, cut to 2 thick slices from both sides, leaving the center with the pita side. Peel mango slices with a tablespoon and then dice to small cubes. Peel the center piece, chop mango around the pit, and dice the remaining pieces. Place mango pieces in a bowl and set aside. Take another bowl with a wide bottom to fit the cookies and pour in 100 milliliters of mango juice, half of the freshly squeezed lime juice we made minutes ago, and add 2 tablespoons of coconut rum liqueur. Oops, it will definitely be more than just 2 tablespoons. I tried making this recipe with white rum, but the flavor it gives is way too strong for this tender dessert. So, through a few tests, I landed on using the coconut rum liqueur. This way, the tiramisu gets its mild boozy notes, which is exactly what you want this dessert to deliver. Next step is making the tiramisu cream. The beauty of this recipe, like I said in the beginning of the video, is that it is absolutely eggless and is made of heavy cream whipped with mascarpone and coconut cream. This mixture is a bit tricky to thicken, but if you start by whipping the heavy cream with icing sugar first and then add mascarpone and coconut cream, you won't be disappointed. Combine 225 milliliters whipping cream with 50 grams of icing sugar and whip until thick enough to leave a prominent trace. Then add 180 grams mascarpone and 120 grams coconut cream. Mix with hand mixer until well combined. Add a couple of tablespoons of coconut rum liqueur to the whipped mixture, this time strictly 2 tablespoons, otherwise your cream will lose its thickness. Whip again until the mixture forms soft pits, and then fold in the lime zest. At this point, your cream is ready. Now it is time to assemble the tiramisu layers. Take a deep porcelain or glass baking tray or casserole of approximately 20 to 30 centimeters or 7 to 11 inches size. Dip the Savoiardi cookies in the mango juice mixture that we have already prepared and place on the bottom of the baking tray. Don't overdo the dipping, as the Savoiardi cookies are very porous and absorb a lot of liquid fast, which can easily break them before you will transfer them on the baking tray. Once the bottom of the baking tray is layered with Savoiardi cookies, it is time to add the cream. Cover the cookies with about 1.5 centimeter thick cream layer, making sure it spreads evenly and closes any spaces in between the cookies and around the inner walls of the baking tray. Scatter the mango pieces over the cream using the entire mango. Add another layer of Savoiardi cookies dipped in the mango juice mixture and sprinkle the layer with a couple of tablespoons of the dipping liquid. Add another layer of tiramisu cream. At this step, our Boozy tropical tiramisu is ready to be refrigerated for 12 or better 24 hours. The next day, we will decorate the tiramisu. For decoration purposes, we will use two kinds of toppings: toasted coconut flakes and fresh mango slices. Toast about 20 grams of coconut flakes on the skillet. Let them cool while you slice the mango. We in Fabits decided to go mad and added some wild and busy pattern with the toppings. And of course, we encourage you to go mad too and create your own design. If you enjoyed watching this video, support Fabits by sharing this episode and subscribing to our channel. And if you ever have courage to make this tempting dessert, full recipe is posted in description below. Thanks for watching, and we will meet again in the next episode.